So switching now on to Laksh, on the basis of the matter that Laksh has given on his Google site, we all would like to have a questioning session with Laksh.
So, Laksh, what do you think about the situation of lower middle class, as they don't categorize as lower class and middle class both?
uh, like it's very like dual loss situation for them because they are not categorized as middle or the lower, because lower would get subsidies and like BPL cards they can get free ration and all stuff, okay, and even they cannot get the luxury of middle class. Not luxuries, like they cannot arrange the 2 square meals just like vegetable sellers and most of us. Mm. And due to this, the situation is getting worse and worse for them because they cannot afford medical situations facilities for them. They do not have a particular like sanitization. They do not have soaps, I guess, and they cannot afford masks because and they are making up like what wrapping up like towels and stuff to cover their mouth. It is so.
Okay, I have a question. Is the higher society facing the same problem or is it normal for them?
Uh, it is facing. They are facing actually because they do not. They've already taken the advance payment, and they do not have workers to work upon the works projects. Most of them are builders actually, and various other tender takers because they do not have a particular workforce to work upon them. It is. It won't say that they are affected like much, but conditions are worse on both of the sides. Not much for them. It is so. Yep.
So
Or you
Laksh,
can say it is normal for them.
yeah, we can say that. So any suggestion from your side to improve the already ruined condition of Indian economy and personal life of Indian citizens?
I think government should take incentives to like manage some 2 square meals at least for the families who cannot afford them, and should more inject money in the economy, create better opportunities, or like they should give companies some subsidies because they are firing people because they cannot give them salaries. If government will give salaries, sorry, subsidies to the companies which are hiring jobs personals, so they can do so. And else other what I can also government should take some incentives like distribution of mass should be a mass, like what it is called. It should be like फंबल मार के काट देना. ठीक है, हो गया, छोड़ रहने दे, इतना ही है. मैं उसको डाल दूंगा इसके बाद में कॉपी पेस्ट करके.
इसी क्या अगर रुक जा कंटिन्यूएशन करने दे, रुक जा अब यहाँ से जो भी कट करेगा. Yeah, Laksh, I totally agree with the fact that subsidies should be provided to companies because one of my friend who is doing law and is under her internship period, she is getting to know that in this phase of quarantine and corona pandemic, like many companies are coming up to file cases on bank because they are not in the condition to complete the loans that they were having before like the pandemic. Like before the pandemic everything was going smoothly, but because of this they are also suffering a lot. So many
Yeah.
files have been cased like in against to the bank that we can't, that you should provide some leniency towards us because at this point of time they can't be that much productive as they were earlier. So yeah,
Because the
subsidies should be.
situation is unpredictable, right?
Yeah, true.
They thought they do this, they had their work sorted, but now it's like disturbed totally because the work they planned is not going in the way they wanted.
Yeah,
So it's
definitely.
totally a mess for them.
Yeah. Thank you, Laksh and Pragya, for the insights on your topic. That's all today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.